Let's the best part is, he might come up.
Hey, what's up there, YouTubers? Black Zen here, and welcome back for another random builds review. For this video, we are going to be reviewing is the Yellow Lion from the Voltron Minipla set. So in the previous video, we kind of, well, built him. In any case, Yellow Lion here is the number 5 lion of the Voltron line set. Of course, he's mostly yellow with some other details such as the white legs, same was on blue, red details, nice cannon on the back with his number 5 sticker right there. So, not sure how well you guys can see it. A few blacks and other whatnots, but it looks pretty good, pretty decent, almost the same as blue. In fact, he's almost identical to blue, since he forms the left leg of Voltron. And currently, within the 86 series, he is piloted by Hunk. Big guy. Do I want to call him fat? Nah. Big boned is more like it. So yeah, in any case, the Yellow Lion does have some neat features and details going all around. Such as the 2 fins. I still think they give him an aerodynamic look, given his shape and form. I wonder if that's Japan's doing. I really can't know or say for sure, but he still looks cool. And of course, you got your connector port in the back for when he goes into robot mode. But otherwise, he's not so bad. And cute, kind of short. And I do love how there weren't any stress marks getting onto him when we popped into legs. Although I fear that may backfire on me when we get to the Voltron vid, which is about, what, 2, 3? 5 or 6 videos away from now. Again, who knows. But still, he's not too bad. Okay, so articulation-wise, on a yellow, of course, he's got the ball-jointed sockets for each of the legs, both front and both back. Got your sort of an elbow and knee bends in each of them, and of course, the paws, neck-wise, to make it go up and down, front and back, so forth. You can even get his jaw or his mouth to open up if it'll let me. Come on. Okay. Time to do some cheating. I was hoping not to do this. Okay. Yeah, I had to use the tweezers. Big whoop. So yeah, you can get his mouth to open up, which is pretty cool. So you can pretty much pose Yellow Lion almost any which way you want. You can have him prowling about. And get that hose in the back leg there. Right. And trying to pose them with the legs does take a bit of a practice. Now the thing about Yellow Lion, what I do like about this is that, like Blue, he comes with his own weapon accessories. For starters, we have a dual shoulder blockbuster turret. You can just plug into the front leg only, because that's where the hole is. We'll just get on. Okay, there we go. And then there's also this little Red Isle shotgun shoulder blaster. I don't know about you, but this thing looks like a shield with spikes sticking out. So, I really don't know if I'll do any much. But yeah, you can basically attach these things on either side. Again, it depends on your preference. As well as a mouth blade. And this one is a different shape from Blue's. And seeing as we've got the mouth opened, take your little peg right there and stick it into the hole at the top of his mouth. So open wide, and plug that in. The other peg, that's for more of a combined function for all the weapons. And you basically got Yellow Lion all set up for battle, which is pretty neat, I have to say. Also, another thing that I've got for Yellow Lion that we built in the previous video is his alternative head. So, as much as it looks the same, it's also a bit bigger than the head he's got right now. So, and why don't I just take him off to show you. So what you do is just basically pop off whatever head he's got on and swipe it with the other. And as you can see, his alternative head meant for combined mode is slightly bigger. And the neck part is pretty much inside. So, strange enough that unlike the head that was just on, come on, there we go, that this one doesn't have a connector hole on the bottom, except for the ones that are meant for assembling. But still, turned out okay. And I think I'll just swap the heads for right now, just to demonstrate. And again, if you want to have a big head on a small lion body, that's your prerogative. Give him that nice classic feature in the animated films. And I think I'll just leave his right there. And of course, lastly, the other thing he has are the 4 transformation caps. Got 2 for the front and 2 for the back. I will not go into using these for this video. I'll just save them for the entire transformation when we get them all combined. You guys should know this. But what's interesting is that these caps have a different pattern for each of them. And depends on the legs. For that particular line. You see you got yellows right here, and blue is more of a solid flat, and I don't mean by color, but rather by shape. This one has more of a minus look to it. Minus look? Do the mathematics. But again, I do like how this turned out. Now, before I start ending this video, I'm going to swap heads again, because I would like to show you comparison. Okay, and get this other leg, and have him stand up. As I said, for comparison, here's a yellow with blue. Almost look the same right there. I have to say, they don't look too shabby. Yeah. Back to the lions, there's supposed to be a... I'm not going to get into that. Nope. Go visit a zoo if you want to see something like that. But still, I do like how these mostly turned out, especially with yellow. There are no stress marks that I can see within his sockets for the legs. Now, if I want to combine them, they need to be facing correspondingly as such. But we'll get to that when all 5 of them are built. And yet I still like it how yellow turned out, despite all the rigorous parts that go into him. Not to mention the stickers. Oh, the stickers are murder. And I mean by that as a figure of speech, an expression, not actually murdering anyone. And you guys should know that. Okay. Well, in any case, that's it for your yellow lion. Now, considering that there's still 3 more left, there's still another hat draw to do. So, once again, I'm not going to look into this except to pick out the slip. So, let's give this hat a nice shuffle and a shake. Okay, with 3 slips left, what do I get out this time? What? Okay, I got the slip. Remove the hat. And let's see who we... Oh no, the next one is gonna be green. Pidge. Oh, someone's gonna have my head for this one. Again, I was hoping for either red or black, but green? I'll have to live with it. Oh well. Okay. Guess I'm doing green line for the next video build and all that. Okay. Well, in any case, I hope you guys enjoyed having me review Yellow Lion and doing all this for you. So I think I'm going to end here. In any case, this is Black Xana saying tower deactivated. I'll be back with many more good videos. Please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And I'll see you all until next time when we build Green Lion to the Voltron Super Minipla set. So until then, see you around. Bumblebee! Bumblebee! Where are you? I gotta introduce him to his partner. Bumblebee! What the? Okay. I was not expecting this. Oh well. At least it's for the better. Prime out.